In this video we do this, and I'll show you how. Comments, like and subscribe. Here start the works of the assembling of the frame of our Toyota Gazoo Le Mans. This is the first piece we need. This is phase 1. Okay. This attention is asymmetrical. Okay, so you have to put by this way. Then 1 and 2. This is the battery holder, and it is like this. 2 screws and 1 O-ring, because it's elastic. 1 O-ring, another screw with the other O-ring. So this has the switch holder and stays in front like this. Bolt, self-tapping bolt. No, not self-tapping, blocking. Screwdriver, no, use this. Don't tighten it too much, because you don't have to squeeze the gummy O-ring. A little bit, but not too much. It has to be flexible. Okay. Then these parts. These are the battery doors. 1 and 2. Is it right? Yes, from the bottom. Then clips. All the clips are the same. No. Yes. Same size. So in this case you have not to curve this part of the clip for an easy handling. Here I have a lot of Dyneema cord pieces and elastic. I never used elastic, but it could be nice. Yes, elastic, fantastic. And this we can secure this, making a little hole here. Nice idea, great idea. Wonderful. You see how does it works? Down. But it is short. Nice looking. The other one. The other one I do on the contrary. Before, here inside, because there's no space. Hey. Left-handed. It's very important to be able using both hands. This is better because it's shorter, but it works fantastic. Never thought to use elastic to secure clips. If you want to use this, please pay me. This is a great idea. Then we have to build this motor mount. Tamiya tools are the best. The thing is that the quality of Tamiya things is excellent. For sure, for this motor mount they could use carbon fiber, aluminium, Avional, noble materials. They have used plastic, and plastic dissipates quite nothing, the hotness of the engine. But the quality of this plastic is fantastic. Have you seen? To put a screw, it's sufficient you do this, and it takes in the plastic. This is fantastic. Very, very good, high quality. Up, and it is all asymmetrical. So it is so and so. Okay, and now on the frame, the rear frame. So we have these screws. Here it is. Next step, servo and radio. As radio, I use this, the Fly Sky Noble. I found the best radio you can buy. Fantastic. There's my video in Italian about this. So we have, first of all, to bind it. I have prepared all the things, the ESC. This is a Tamiya one from the Subaru. Then this is the receiver. Unfortunately, this radio works just with this kind of receiver. They're a little bit more expensive. In order to bind the receiver, you have to plug this into this, and in this kind of receiver there's bind. You can make it wrong. Then you have to switch on. Here, go here. This is a bind. Bind successful, and it is made. This radio is fantastic, really fantastic. Switch off, take away this, and we plug this. What did it say? We plug this into this. Attention to the color of the wires. Respect it. Respect. And yes. It works. Look at fast this servo is. Right. We have done all these things. Then the next step, we have to mount the servo saver, and the rods. Servo saver, we have to choose the right size for this. This looks good. Now the servo is exactly in the middle, and we have to follow the instructions. This servo is mounted in a very strange position, because it's not mounted like this, but like this. So there's a modification to do also. We have to cut these parts, so this servo becomes a servo especially dedicated to this car. Fortunately, these kind of servos are very, very cheap. They're quite good. Not top quality, but 5 or 6 or 7 euros each. It's not so much. We can destroy it. So this was the first thing. Then look at, let me see, on top like this, and like, wait, this must stay here. There's not a perfect central position. We adjust with the trim later. Okay. And now I do something that you don't have to do, but I can, because I know how to do it. Bang. You can break something here under. Then R1 and R2, they are this one. Yes. By this way, so it is mounted so, and so. Double-sided. Here it is. Okay, so it is perfect. Frame, main frame, 2 of these screws, but first we have to do this. The spring, okay, the spring, and then which one? This one, the flat one. Okay, sure, for sure we need this washer. Okay, 1, 2, washer, and then we have to find the screw. The screw is this one. That is one we use to mount the car. I hope we have one more, because this is the original for this servo and it was too short. Okay, so I have mounted this. Then we have to do the 2 rods, and we have to respect the exact measurement that you can find here. This is very useful. Perfect. Then we will adjust. Upper or lower? Lower from the back to the inside. So I have to undo this one. Okay. And this is one, and the other one. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then we can mount on the body, not body, on the frame, with these screws. One, and where is the another one? To control. We check if it is right. Which holes? This one, these 2, 1 and 2. In the unboxing I told you that it is always the same. Yes, the basic concept is the same, but there are so many differences. This is done. Next step, ESC and receiver. The phone is ringing always when it has not to. This is my wife. Lunch is ready. So I go to eat something, then we can go. Had a good meal. Thank you to my wife. She's a very, very good cook. And we are back just to show you the work we have made today. We have made two pieces. They are here. The main frame, the battery holder with this new thing, the motor mount, and the radio. This is about all what we have for the radio control. Receiver, ESC, servo. In the next video we have to do these parts. Always on the frame, and I hope to finish it. Hello everyone. Bye now. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for comments. Let the bell ring. And have a nice time. Bye bye to you all.